You pay if you stay, and you pay if you leave. That's how Sprint ran its cell phone business. Sprint charged early termination fees, or ETFs, to customers who exited their service contracts early. But the fees were themselves terminated in the Cellphone Termination Fee Cases. Sprint offered cell phone contracts for durations of 1 or 2 years. These contracts charged ETFs as high as $200 when a customer's service terminated early. The fees applied to terminations initiated by the customer and terminations declared by Sprint. Lawsuits challenging these fees were consolidated and tried as a class action in a California Superior Court. The jury found that Sprint had collected over $73 million in ETFs from the class members. The jury also found that the class members breached their contracts with Sprint by ending them early, costing Sprint over $225 million in damages. The trial judge characterized the fees as liquidated damages and found them unenforceable because they were effectively a penalty. Applying the jury's findings, the court enjoined Sprint from collecting unpaid fees and ordered Sprint to pay over $73 million in restitution for those it had collected. But the court also offset the jury's $225 million damages figure in Sprint's favor and ruled that neither side would be entitled to recover from the other. 1 month later, the court granted the plaintiff's motion for a new trial on the issues of Sprint's damages and set-off, because the court believed the jury misunderstood or misapplied its instructions. Sprint appealed the new trial grant to the Court of Appeal. Both parties appealed other aspects of the court's judgment.